Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the May Sugar Face. Is it Sugar Face? Face Sugar? It's called Face Sugar. Okay, I'm losing it. There's something else called like Sugar Face. But I think it's actual product. And this is our little bag we get. So what this is, it's just a monthly beauty subscription that offers only full-size items. And it is, I want to say around 12 something a month, and you get 2 to 3 full-size products in your bag, which ain't bad because it is full-size products. If it's been sampled, I'd say no. Okay, so what we got in our bag is Amora Lush Matte Cream in Bakery Cake. And I'm just going to switch the one I already have. And it's like a really pretty nude color. Just pop that down the center there. I really like that. Okay, so I'm going to leave the new one up because I got to figure out what to do with it. Okay, so in here, this is like for May 2019. Our sweet monthly savings is 68% off of retail. Candyland is the theme. I think their theme is always like something like that. Okay, I've got this too. Dosa the Polish Purified Detox and Glow. This stuff reeks. I've not even used mine. It reeks. I don't like it. I'm not gonna say I don't like it. I ain't used it to know if I like it or not. And our last item is an eyeshadow palette. And that's what I really like about this subscription. You get normally a palette and you're only paying $12 and you're getting other stuff with it. Okay. So we got Lady Boss, which is by Morris USA. Okay, this palette is very, very pretty. Oh, and it's got a nice mirror in it. And look at all these fun colors. This screams summertime to me. I love it. This turquoise color, which is called Impact, and this blue is called Focus. I mean, these are like, love it. Okay. Then these purples, like this is called Gold, and no, this one's called Quit Reading Upside Down and You Might Be Able to Read. Okay, this is Statement, and this is Actual. I mean, these are really some pretty colors. This is called Goals, Feminine. No, that's Run It and Feminine. I mean, even like this black, I like to use my black. It's called Mindset. I use it as a liner. It's just like a really good black. And then you got Hustle and, well, stuff's falling off my vanity. Okay, so this is Hustle, a really good transition color. And then you got Conquer. Look, and here's the ones I use a lot. Slay and CEO. These are like 2 colors I use a lot in this palette. And Raise the Bar is like a really good like orangey color. I mean, look at that. If this is not, and let me see. The only one I didn't do is Winter and Wonder. So here, beautiful. Let me see. Wonder. This is Wonder. That'd be such a pretty highlight. Okay. So, I am going to do something with this stuff because I already got this subscription. Okay, here's the thing about this subscription. So, same time I applied for this one, I done another one called Yes Oh Yes. And when I did, starting, was it last month? I started getting doubles, like whatever Yes Oh Yes does. The next month, it's like you get some of the items that they done in your face sugar bag or sugar, yeah, face sugar. And so I'm gonna have to keep an eye on this because, like, three of the same things. I don't need that in my life because it is the same things. And an eyeshadow palette, really, guys, is gonna go a while. And I'm gonna do something with this. It'll probably throw it in a giveaway or something. So keep an eye out for that. It's just cause I've already got all this, and I'll not go through this palette, and just because I have too many eyeshadows the way it is. But it is a really good subscription if you don't have Yes Oh Yes. And it ain't always like that. It's just been the last couple of months it's been like that. Because, like, I got a crown palette in there, and they're supposed to be having another crown palette, but I already had the other crown palette they was talking about, so I don't need it either. Um, so, I don't know. I really don't think for me personally this is one for me because I really don't need to be doubling up on my products, and maybe we could try a subscription that I don't have the stuff in. But you know, I guess, when it comes to makeup, there's only so much makeup that go around. And I guess that's it. So, I guess that's it. And I hope you guys did like this video. Get an understanding what face sugar is. Because for $12 a month, and I am going to leave the link down below. If you follow my link, you will save off of your first bag. And I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I really appreciate that when you guys do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.